Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will show you how you can add lightning fast effect on CapCut PC. So just going to select your video to the track and then go to effect, just click body effect and then you can select this lightning. Just click this add button or you can drag here just for the duration and you can adjust for this option. For instance, um, change the color, or you can just for the filter speed, like just click play button for the result. Okay, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. You can click text button for appreciate extra. Thanks. Bye bye.